So we're going to start it off with some fun. Yes, I'm giving candy to a room of dentists. You can have a very strong practice as far as your numbers go and still have a gap in leadership, alignment, and clarity. And I'm going to take you through the basis of a lot of that because culture is a byproduct of structure. And so we're going to talk about how we structure the practice in order to really facilitate clarity and alignment and leadership. Culture isn't built in a moment, it's built in repetition. And all three of these layers that we just talked about have to be in sync in order for us to have the kind of culture that we're really looking to have. Is your culture intentional, or did it just kind of happen? Is it accidental? If it's accidental, tonight is a rallying call about setting the intention for what you want it to be. If you want to change culture, you don't just fix the symptoms. We have to fix what's the foundation that's kind of underneath all of this. At the end of the day, all of this kind of works together in a really synergistic way to fuel the culture of what you're trying to develop. Your culture is a direct implication to how much clarity you have provided as a leadership team. And if people don't know what's going on, that is a fault of the leadership team. And we have to do right by our people, and we have to look within and make sure we have perfect clarity. Change is a good thing. Sometimes it's hard, but we want to keep evolving, right, to the next thing. Thank you so much for your time tonight. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you.